Hey, what's up guys, it's Akos here from iTechFlow. I hope you're doing well guys. So today I will checking out something different, the Raycon Essential Open Earbuds. They are open ear earbuds, so they don't go inside your ear. You can still hear what you're going on around you. And just to be clear, this video is sponsored by Raycon, but as always I will giving you my honest opinion. Let's get into it. So as usual, let's start with what you get in the box. So inside you've got the earbuds, the charging case, USB-C cable, a really nice quality lanyard and paperwork. And I actually like that they include that lanyard. It's not some cheap one, it feels solid and it's useful if you want to clip this to a bag or just carry it around. The case feels very well made, compact and easy to carry. Design wise, these are different from normal earbuds. They don't go inside your ear, they just sit outside and kind of wrap around. When I first tried them, it felt strange for like 2 minutes, then you forget they're even there. They are super light. And the comfort is easily one of the best things about these. I've been using them while editing, walking, doing errands or like workouts. No pressure, no pain, no ear fatigue. If you hate silicone tips inside your ears, you're probably going to love this design. For long sessions, they are really comfortable. Now let's talk about the sound. Because these are open ear, don't expect crazy bass or noise cancelling. That's not what these are made for. But for what they are, they sound really clean. Voices are clean, music is balanced, podcast sounds great. And the biggest advantage is awareness. You can still hear cars, people, doors, everything. So for outdoor use or working environments, that's actually really useful. Battery life of these has been solid for me as well. You get around 8 hours on one charge, up to 36 hours with the case. That's more than enough for a daily use. Charging is also really good. You've got a USB-C, which is great, and it also supports wireless charging, so you can just drop it on a charging pad. That's something you don't always get at this price, so big plus. They also support connecting to 2 devices at the same time, so I can be connected to my phone and laptop and it switches automatically. That's very useful for work. Now let's speak about the real world use. In real life, I mostly use these when I'm working, editing videos, planning content, answering emails. Also when I'm out walking, because I still feel aware of what's around me. They help me stay focused without feeling isolated. For creators, freelancers or people working on laptops a lot, these make sense. Now let me mention the pros and the cons. So the pros are very comfortable, super lightweight, you forget you're wearing them. Good battery life, USB-C plus wireless charging. 2 device connection and very good price. And the few cons what these have are: bass isn't crazy, no noise cancelling, not great for very noisy places. So yeah, depends what you're looking for. But one thing I respect about Raycon is the pricing. These are much cheaper than a lot of big brands, but you still get good quality. They also come in different colors, which is nice. For the features you're getting, I think the value is very strong. So before I wrap this up, let me be completely honest with you. I've actually declined quite a few collaborations in the past because some products were just bad. And I didn't want to put my name on that. And normally, I'm not even a big fan of open ear earbuds. It's usually not my thing. But with these, I honestly was surprised. I actually like them. They are comfortable, easy to use, reliable, and they fit into my daily routine. So yeah, this is one of those rare cases where I can genuinely say I'd use these even without the sponsorship. So if you're looking something comfortable, practical, and different from normal earbuds, these are worth checking out. Links in the description and the pinned comment. And again, big thanks to Raycon to sponsoring today's video and sending me this product over. So it was Akos from iTechFlow, it was a earbuds from Raycon, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.